morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. You're welcome to Attindi for Real YouTube channel. Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale, No, Bonjour, Salama Po, Inakwana, Inaini, ya dangana ga lokacin da kake kallon wannan video. Yes, you're welcome to Attindi for Real YouTube channel once again, and this is a special day, wonderful announcement, wonderful updates that we are having in the Pi network space. And right here you can see this is actually something we have seen earlier hours of the day of today, and this is a wonderful one. And Pi News Media, as usual, they are giving us the update, publishing it out for us to also furthermore see if you are a lover of Twitter space. So actually it is an update by Pi Network, okay, which says Pi Network is excited to kick off 2023 by announcing the launch of a new Pi Hackathon. This is along our continued collective efforts to build real utilities for the Pi ecosystem. Of course, you can see, if you visit your home screen, you should see something like this: Pi 2023 Hackathon ecosystem building. Of course, this is massive, nice graphics by the Pi core team member, and you can as well join. And this is incredible, guys. Yes, proceeding down right here in the first comment section, they went on to say about 9 hours ago, click instructions that is on the home screen on Pi app to get a guide on how to join the hackathon, and click SDK to get a video workshop where core team members guide potential developers through the basics of how to develop applications on Pi ecosystem. This is amazing. Yes, is a comment right here coming from Sirianta. Sorry if I didn't get that correctly. Say yes, it will also be clear as to when the new mainnet will be live and when all pioneers will be able to take advantage of it. Oh, she is really not saying something in line with this, but of course the Pi core team is building utilities and ensuring that real humans pass KYC in order to ensure that we achieve the Pi open mainnet. This is beautiful, this is impressive, this is the update, and I want to let you know. Yes, and as you already know, it is already trending that yes, we have right here Satoshi app releases a new version with 2 new buttons to select country, region, and terms of use. Bugs must have been fixed too. Of course, this is impressive, shows a ton of progression. I know for my viewers that are core miners, that are now core holders, we really love this update. So you can go to the app, click on the button me, and also on the last button on that very particular options displayed, you will see where we have download. So don't go to the Play Store to download, but rather use the APK version, for this is the one that is really available at this moment. Stay tuned for more updates and subscribe to stay tuned in line with what is coming up. Mainnet is not fully live yet, and we can see that some buttons are really being put into. You can as well use your MetaMask wallet and add up the mainnet wallet of core here in this wonderful community. It is great, it is progressive, very important for you to also know what is playing out, as it is 75% of your mine coin will be locked for a duration of 2 years, while you have access to 25% of your coin. So that is the update. Let's go straight into other news. Yes, back to Pi updates, and this is actually 22 hours at the time of me making this video. It is from pichainmall International, which is the official pichainmall Twitter handle, and they published out saying, we have a new website URL for pichainmall. Here we have pipcm.com, and of course, if you try to access the site right now, you will see the difference. Pioneers can still use the previous URL pichainmall.com. Users will be directed to the new website, and of course I tried that out today. It functioned pretty well. Here we have hashtag Pi Network, pichainmall, pipettes, and PiSnake. which is the game they are building. Right here is how you will see it display when you open up the app. And of course, this is impressive. This is beautiful in my opinion. I like the growth. I like the development. This shows that they are fully working in the back and front end of this wonderful platform that they have built to benefit us in the future, especially in the future. Many are already gaining from their benefits. Here we have good domain name. This one is easier to remember. And of course, this is true. I agree with him. Let me like and retweet this. So guys, you can go into your app and see the way it looks like. As you will see, the featured pichainmall as one of the options, and you will see Pi NFT there, and also a button for Pi Snake, which is the game part of the pichainmall. pichainmall options for what they are really having there, some of the platforms. So this is incredible. I like this. And if you think this is really progressive and more easier for you, leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you feel about. Right, this is Pi News Media, giving us some wonderful updates and insight right here, and something to really ponder upon. Here they reach out to us publishing this, saying once the construction of the Pi ecosystem is completed, it will involve commercial trade, leisure and entertainment, shopping, finance, medical care, that is medical care, real estate, etc., etc. In the future, in this Pi network ecosystem, all settlements will be related to Pi. And this is impressive. You can see the graphics from Pi News Media showing this wonderful one. Wow, a great job by the Pi News Media graphics artist. I like this. Pi Education, Pi Edu community. 35 million plus engaged pioneers. I love this. This graphics is good, very creative, shows a ton of upside in the future. Now, someone really made a comment down here. Pi has everything. It's just a matter of how each pioneer reacts during the current closed mainnet period. All pioneers are patiently following the development of Project Pi. The victory of the pioneer community will come in time. And of course, I agree with him. Let me like and retweet this as well. Do that for this very particular one. So this is progressive. As you already know, a ton of things going on, and I agree with them 100%. Just like I told you earlier on, Edwin actually tweeted this, who is actually from pichainmall, and he said this about 9 hours at the time of me making this video. He referenced out saying, we have updated the main page of pichainmall, while our mall application has been migrated to another URL, which is picm.com. PCM standing for pichainmall. On the homepage of pichainmall.com, pioneers can see the list of Pi apps under the management of pichainmall. Yes, this is exactly what I was trying to say. This is put in more or less a better way. And here you have, hi pioneers, welcome to pichainmall International. And here you can see the pichainmall website. If you want to just go into pichainmall, you tap on this, it takes you there. You want to go into Pi Pets and Pi games, you go into here. Anything that involves NFTs, you go here. And here we have the games right here, PiCM games, and here is another one. It's impressive. A lot of development, a lot of work's been done by pichainmall, and this is outstanding as they are leading the way in one of the biggest Pi platforms in the Pi ecosystem. I like this. If in case you do, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you like the progressive work, because Rome wasn't built in a day. And I tell you that the Pi core team and also the Pi platforms are really putting in a lot of work to ensure that they deliver that which will help to make our Pi coins in our wallet very valuable and very useful. I like that. Yes, just a reminder. As you already know, the Pi ecosystem will engage a lot of different institutions and also in different sectors in our physical life that we are seeing. We have the side of even politics. We can have the side of education. We can also have the side of media, and we can have the side of finance, gaming, and whatsoever you can think of. Talking about that, here is a publication about 10 hours at the time of me making this video, which was done by Pi News Media. And of course, you know, I often on this channel share about Pi News Media, and here we go with a ton of progress. The Pi core theme, new progress. Pi browser, Brainstorm has listed more items. Go and see if there is something you like. And of course, Pi News, hashtag Pi News, Pi Network, Pi Hackathon. And here we have search progress. You can see proposals 2023. We have Pi wireless, sharing your Wi-Fi connection tail of the Pi. Brief Y-zone via Pi network. A ton of things coming out. A lot of stuff, as we can see. And here is one of the most interesting one for me, which is Pi News. Pi News is a practical Pi network comprehensive Web3 platform covering content information, ecological statistics, data tracking, etc. etc. Wow, I love this. I like this. And if in case you do, I think this is really cool. And time will come which we have to play our part. So a lot of things are coming up. Here we can see Pi Real Estate, a platform where people can sell their lands, houses, cars, accepting Pi cryptocurrency as means of payment. Wow, I like that. If in case you do, just go into the app, go into the Pi Brainstorm app and discover some of these wonderful stuffs that we are having. A time will come, we will play our part as usual, like we did in the previous Build It Together Pi Hackathon. We will have our roles to play as community members, as we have a lot of engagement to also do in this Pi Hackathon. And guys, just to keep it slow, this is the video, and I just felt that these are great informations, wonderful development, and I wanted you to know. And if in case you like the kind of content we create right here on Attendee for Real YouTube channel, all you got to do is to show us some great support by clicking on the like button, leave a positive comment in the comment section, like and share the video. Until then, we meet again in the next video. Bye.